Also developing right now, the state of California bracing for something it rarely encounters, a hurricane.
We could see our first hurricane making landfall into California.
Flash flooding could be a real concern for many parts of SoCal.
By Sunday, we'll have a tornado watch in this area.
Flash flooding is the big concern.
Well, Governor Gavin Newsom has issued a state of emergency for Southern California because of this storm, and people are preparing for the worst of it.
Bada bang, Sergio.
We're here.
This is so weird. We're back at the scene of the fucking crime, people, to pick up our brand new stallion. Can you say stallion? What would you say? It's just an Italian car.
Yeah, it's an Italian
just
stallion.
An Italian car.
Yeah.
So we're coming back. Listen, the last time I came and I bought a car from these dealerships, things went really well. I paid $400,000 over sticker for a McLaren and it caught on fire. What can go wrong right now buying a brand new car and paying over sticker again from the same dealership, back to back? What can go wrong, Sergio?
A hurricane could hit.
Well, let me tell you something. That didn't happen. That did not. Everybody was so scared, but it didn't happen.
You can't say that while driving a Bronco.
Why?
Because you thought we would need this car.
No, I didn't.
For the hurricane.
No, I didn't. No, this was just a happy coincidence. Get the fuck out of here. By the way, you guys.
You forget how the car scene is
We
here.
were in Austin for so long. I forgot what it's like to walk into a dealership here. Everyone's looking at us like, what's wrong with these fucking clowns? Because we haven't seen these
I feel like a
many
little
cars.
kid.
I know, me too.
Like they're showing me all the cars and I'm like, this is so
This
beautiful.
is incredible. By the way, they have an electric Hummer right there. We're gonna go check it out.
One of four in the country,
Dude,
probably.
I've never seen one. Then they have a Maserati, an MC20 right there. Oh, and by the way, all the Urus Performantes, they just don't have one. That's great. They have like 1 trillion of them. And also, last time I was at a dealership, they told me that Shmi was gonna be there, and if I bought a car, I would have the right to meet Shmi. I swear to God, I'm not making this up. And Shmi never showed up to that event either, which was the most incredible thing I've ever witnessed in my life. This is how removed I've been from this shit, right? Wouldn't you say that qualifies?
It's time we're back.
It's time to be back.
Yeah.
It's time to fucking check out the MC20. Oh my God. And then I gotta pick up the car. It doesn't feel real.
No.
I don't feel like I'm getting anything right now. I feel like,
And I'm stoked for this car.
I don't know why. Yeah, well, yeah, me too. I am too, but honestly, I'm not thinking about it. I don't know why. It's been so, I feel like my emotions are rusty. Let him out. Although that feels like a fart's coming out. Let me, what?
Your inner child's coming out. That's what it is.
A little bit. It needs to come out, but not out of my ass. So let's, I don't know how that's even possible, but fuck, just before seeing the car, dude, this is like,
we gotta walk around.
This is Candyland, motherfuckers. Hang on. Before we go, I want to show you guys. Oh my God, they have a Raptor R. Fuck. It's Belen's new. No, she's not getting a Range Rover, Sergio. No. No. Damn. Fuck. I always wanted to see one of these. They look so fucking. They look good. Oh, get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. This is so ridiculous. It's enormous. Whoa. Oh, fuck. All right. I'm going to get the keys. Maybe. I want to fucking see all of those cars. All of those cars. That's number one. I feel like a little kid at a candy store. You guys don't understand. This is crazy. And I really haven't gone to those dealerships either, so this feels nice.
We just came back to the car because
Oh yeah, you guys are like, this is whatever. Fuck you, you spoiled bastards. Fuck you. See guys, this is fucking entitled Americans. Goddamn. All right, we need keys for it now. Can we get the keys for the Hummer, the MC20? I'm not gonna drive them. I just want to see them right now, and then I'll come back maybe and drive them.
You got it, definitely. It's Christmas morning.
It's Christmas morning. It's like my birthday without being my birthday, without the responsibilities and having to spend. No, I did have to spend money. A lot of money. Damn it. I was telling everyone about how stupid I am, because I came back to the same place where I got my last car that caught on fire after paying over sticker, and I'm doing the same formula one more time. It's pretty incredible.
Well, you're buying something a little bit more reliable.
How do you know? And no one at that point, on that one, no one said anything. They were like, nah, this is good. Until I touched it. Damn it. this is real now. This is real. Look at that light bar. It's like the Rivian one, but lower budget. No, it's fucking cool. Holy shit! I don't know why instantly, right? You gotta go and touch the car? Dude, what the fuck is the size of this vent? Are you seeing this, Sergio?
Yeah. Oh my God.
The size of the vent is... Can I sit in it?
Yeah.
Well, in it, not on it. Yes. Sorry.
Sit on it.
What? This is like a 70-inch plasma, by the way.
This thing's cool.
And by the way, are TVs still plasmas? No, right?
No.
Oh, thank you. This is the key.
Look how big
This is ginormous.
Everything's American size.
This is for a BBC. The only way any woman is gonna get in this car and understand how to touch it is after they drove a BBC. What do you think, Sergio?
Yeah, you need that prior experience.
You need the prior experience with your hand to know substantial items and how to grab them. You need training for these vehicles. Stay in demo mode. Oh, wait, you can take off the roof?
Can't take off the roof.
It's like the Bronco on steroids.
How much are these right now? Maybe not this one. Let's throw me an average.
200. It's a little less than 200.
They were 300 not that long ago.
Yeah,
So they've dropped.
they have dropped a bit.
Belen!
Imagine Belen.
But oh, we gotta bring her and drive one. Dude, she's gonna fucking hate it.
I was gonna say she's gonna hate it.
So let's
100%.
let's bring her and
100%.
drive one.
We'll say we're showing her the Range Rover, but we're actually bringing her for this.
And she doesn't watch the videos that she's not in, so she'll never know about this. And if you fucking guys tell her anything, I swear to God, wow, nah, we gotta do this right. We gotta come back and drive this if you guys don't mind.
Of course.
Get him up.
I love LA.
Yeah.
It's pretty good. I like, hey, listen.
Imagine driving these things with all the roof off.
No, that'd be awesome. That's like I want to take this back just to be, because my friend is the one loaning me the Bronco. And I want to be like, fuck your little Bronco, motherfucker. Look at this. This is professional shit.
It doesn't get more than this. As a toy,
And this is the biggest smaller dick car I've ever seen in my life.
but it doesn't feel
It's a
that
little
big.
small dick.
But at the same time, it makes sense. Like, this is, I like this. You
It
know,
fits you.
it's probably because of the small dick theory.
100%.
That's probably why. I get it. By the way, I'm still fucking pointing the camera to all places while I'm talking to it.
It's a wide angle.
Just so you
I'm
guys
to the
know,
edge.
don't stress about it. I'll get it eventually. Within 7 years, we'll be back in rhythm. As we're walking by all the fucking sea of these things, I was just noticing, by the way, as you walk by, because they're all cool as fuck. This is a cool spec, like a very cool spec, all on black with the right red details. But dude, first of all, regular?
That's all I've ever seen.
Regular. This is fucking ridiculous. This is like BBC style type of thing, just like in the Hummer.
Yep.
Like straight up.
The perfect pairing.
Look at this. You can fully fist this shit. Like entirely. This is like, you know, like that girl that sticks around that's always ready. She is ready for a good old fisting, Sergio. You know it is. A fist.
I don't. I
Oh,
don't
it's
know
a
how it
feast.
is.
Sorry, it's my English is bad. Ooh, Sergio. Look at this fucking thing. This is the Storado, huh?
They're just landing now. They're crazy.
The Lambo Storado. This, oh, look at me. I can take my Lambo all-terrain everywhere.
But the thing is, this or the car?
No, the car is for stupid
Yeah,
people.
they
Like,
doesn't work
listen,
for that.
if you are an 80-year-old man that enjoys Porsche, buy the Dakar. You'll love it. You'll never go anywhere.
You love it in your garage.
You'll like, while you're wearing your diaper, might be the best seat in the world for you. So get the Dakar. If you're one of those people, Andrew, holla at me. If you're watching this, you're looking for your Dakar and saying, maybe I should consider buying a Storado. No. Keep your Dakar. You're an older gentleman, you wear a diaper every day, and you don't want like hard movement. So stick to the Dakar, not these. This is cool, dude.
Look at the green interior.
Oh no, get out of here.
It's like a true military spec.
How much is this?
$335, right?
Oh, hang on. It doesn't have the fucking expensive option at the bottom. How disgusting is this?
This is the peasant spec.
This is a peasant spec. It doesn't have like, there's one that has a piece of paint that covers this beautiful part for only $23,000?
28.
$28,000. It's pretty cool. So this is obviously someone with less means to acquire things. Now, these Aventadors, this is like the final, well, hang on. Lamborghini's getting like very Pagani. They've learned from Horatio. This is like the last one of the last one. The ultimate. It's the last one. Come on. Jesus? Dude, they added cup holders. They finally, after 30 years of Aventadors,
No,
they were
it's
like,
definitely an accessory.
we're gonna add a cup holder, no doubt. And it's an aftermarket.
Yeah.
Look at the doors, dude. That's some serious shit. My favorite part right here. That looks so good. That looks very Centenario.
Yeah.
Right
Same
here.
exhaust as the SVO.
Yeah. Well, what can I tell you? But my wife doesn't want one of these, does she?
Yeah. It's a cool spec though with the bronze rims.
These fucking fancy ass people, dude. Dude, these California dealerships, no one can beat them. I fucking absolutely forgot these. It's insane. And this is just like everyone's like, we don't even have cars. I swear to God, everyone walking around is like, no, we for real don't have anything. Oh, I love these, the Technicas. They always have like the coolest interiors.
Yeah, it's a more fun car. The more of the you can play the specs better. They're dope.
Now it feels real. Wait, I'm gonna be here. I'm gonna be here. Two. Did you guys click also that? This looks so fucking good. Oh, and it has the black line, the $28,000 line. How beautiful is that? How beautiful is that, Sergio?
You really outdid yourself.
We fucking did it. We fucking did it, boys. We got the $28,000 lines. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Oh, Obi, you son of a bitch.
Dude, congratulations.
Thank you. I haven't gotten a car in so long. Oh.
Your first reaction was to get on your knees.
Oh, this is fucking nice.
This thing's wild.
And I even got something for free. Nah, it's probably not for me. It's probably for someone else. I know how this
You left it
works.
in there, I'm so sorry.
They're like, ooh, this is not for you, sir. It's $28,000 for those lines. That is the stupidest option I've ever seen in my life.